Hello friends, welcome to CAD Lessons with Jeevan. So today we will see how to draw a circle and how many ways we can draw a circle in AutoCAD. So in order to draw a circle, we have to select the circle tool from the draw palette or simply enter enter in the command bar. Now by default the center radius circle is selected. In order to draw the circle, specify the center point of the circle and then enter the radius. Here we are taking 10 as radius of the circle. Now click enter. The circle with radius 10 has been drawn. Now in order to draw the circle with diameter, select the center radius circle and now in the command bar click diameter and again enter 20 units as diameter. Hence the circle with 20 units is formed. In order to draw a 2-point circle, let's take a line of 20 units in length. Now select the 2-point circle from the tool palette and click on the starting and end points of the line. Now the 2-point circle has been formed with 20 units in diameter. In order to draw a 3-point circle, I have taken the example of a triangle and now select the 3-point circle from the tool palette and click on the 3 corners of the triangle. And hence the 3-point circle has been made. Now let's draw the circle with tan radius, also known as TTR. In this case, I am drawing the circle in between these two circles with a radius of 5 units. Now select the TTR from the circle palette and select this circle and the next circle and enter the radius of 5 units. Hence the circle with 5 units touching the 2 other circles has been made. So in order to draw the circle with 3 tangencies, select the TTT from the draw palette and click on the 3 tangent circles. Now here we have formed the tangent circle touching the 3 circles. So this is how we draw a circle in AutoCAD. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it and learned something new. If you did, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to CAD Lessons with Jeevan.